Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to World Coin Hunt. This coin hunt has been designated World Coin Hunt number 32. We start off with a Polish coin. It's a one groszy coin from 2014. On this side we have the crowned eagle, the year and the country, and on the reverse, just trying to get it, we have the value of one groszy, and we have one oak leaf that represents the number 1. The mintage for this coin is 334,924,900. The second coin is from Malaysia, and it is a 1 cent coin. We have the fruit salad plant on this side with the year and the value. It's also can be hibiscus as well. There's a hibiscus plant as well. Could be a hibiscus rather than a fruit salad. On the reverse of this 1977 1 cent coin from Malaysia, we have the tribal drum. This tribal drum is a Rebana Ubi drum. The mintage is 172,215,681. The third coin shows Her Late Majesty the Queen. On this side is a Canadian 1 cent coin from 1979. On this side we've got the Queen's head. On the reverse we have, is it the right way up? Yes it is. We have the value of 1 cent, we have the maple leaf and the country name. The mintage for this coin is huge. It's 754,394,064. Next we have a 5-penny coin from 1970. On this side we have the Norse knot, the year and the country name. It's known as a St. Hannah's cross, Hannah's cross. Hannah's is spelled Hannes. On the reverse side we have the value of 5 penny. The mintage for this 1970 coin is 13,772,000. This coin shows the crowned King George V. It is a 1/12 anna coin from 1914. You have George V, King and Emperor, on this side as is written on it. On the reverse you have the value of 1/12 of an anna. You have the value of the year and the country on this side. The mintage for this 1914 coin is 19,814,000. Oh, do excuse me. This next coin is from Yugoslavia. It is a 2 dinar coin from 1979. On this side you have the coat of arms of the country and the country name. On the reverse we have the value of 2 dinar. You have oak leaves and flowers in the garland going around the outside. You also have the value and the year. This 1979 coin has a mintage of 20,069,000. We've now just finished the first row of 3 coins. The next coin is from Belgium. It has Ceres, which is the head on this coin. It has the year and the cornucopia. That is shown is just at the back of the head here. On this side of the head is cornucopia. On the reverse, we have the value either side of a crowned oak stem and the country name. The mintage for this 1967 coin is 13,628,000. The next two coins are the same value. So I'll show one obverse and one reverse. This is a 20 centimes coin from France. The two coins here are from 1967 and 1984. On the obverse side we have Marianne and the country name. Then on the reverse we have the value, the year, and the wheat leaf and olive stem. The mintage for the 1967 coin is 138,782,305. For the 1984 coin, the mintage is 200,447,000. Quite an unusual mintage figure. There you go, what do I know? Whoops. Sorry for battering that one. There we go, we got General Franco. We have the country name and the year. So this is a Spanish coin from 1966 and it has a value of 1 peseta. It's dated 1966 on the front edge. On the back we have the una peseta and the coat of arms. Unfortunately on this coin the star is unreadable, so therefore I can't give you a mintage figure for it because I don't know the exact date. We have another military dictator man. I'm not sure if he was dictator or president, military, a military person and also the president of the country. And that's Ataturk. And the country, of course, is Turkey. It is a 10 Kumas coin from 2009. On this side we have the portrait of Ataturk, and then on the reverse we have the value inside of with the background of a Moorish Turkish design. More a Turkish design than Moorish. We have the value, the year and the vines on this side as well. The mintage for this coin is 280,140,000. Next coin is Österreich or Austria. It's a 1 shilling coin from 1970. It has a bit of verdigris, green type stuff on it, but on this side it shows the value, the year and the country name. On the reverse of this 1970 coin we have a flower, and the flower is an Edelweiss. Now this flower for many years, particularly during the Second World War, was used and put in the lapels of the SS and the troopers, the high-level troopers, high fighting value troopers that the Germans had. And the fact that they had to climb up to the mountain, high on the mountain, to get the Edelweiss flower to put into their lapel was thought of to show their bravery. It's a beautiful flower as well, the Edelweiss, and the mintage of this coin, This Austrian coin from 1970 is 10,678,600. Finally, on the second row out of the three, we have General Franco again. This time he's on a silver 5 peseta coin from 1957. Well, it's 1957 on the front. On here we have Franco and the country name. On the reverse we have the 5 pesetas and the coat of arms. And in the star, under a microscope, I saw the year 60. So it's a coin that came from the 1957 series that was minted in 1960. The mintage figure for this 1960 5 peseta coin is 26 million. Whoa! Sorry about that. Serves me right for... Let's get you back where you should be. Should be like that, I think, is right. The next one is from Nepal. It's a 10 Parsi, and that's P-A-I-S-A, from 1984. It's an aluminium style coin. On this side you have the small ears. I think actually it's supposed to be that way up. You have the small ears and the denomination within the ears, ear grains. On the other side we have, oops, I think it's supposed to be that way up. We have a crown, or what is described as a crown. The mintage for this 1984 aluminium coin, 10 Parsi from Nepal, is 7,834,000. This coin is Indian. It's a 50 Parsi coin from 1996. On here we have the value and the Ashoka lines above it. On the reverse is that the right way up? Oh, there we go. You have a map of India, and then in front of it you have the circular Parliament building. You also have the year. Like a lot of Indian coins, there is no mintage for this coin. This is a Malaysian 5 sen, this next coin. Which way up is it? Oh, there we go. Let's get it the right way up for you. It is a 5 sen coin from Malaysia from the year 2017. On this side you have the value, you have the year, and a hibiscus flower. On the reverse we have a geometric pattern. It's called a Malagu design. That's M-A-L-G-A, or G-U should I say, design. It's called D-Star sign, and this is a traditional design from Malaysia. There is no mintage for this coin. Next we have two of the same value coins, so let's get one that way up. And let's have one of the other side. Okay. We have two Japanese 1 yen coins. One is from 1962, the other one is from 1959. On the 1959, I believe it's year 37 that's printed. And the 1962 one will be year 40. On the reverse we have the bamboo shoot. The mintage for the 1959 coin is 208,600,000. for the 1962 coin is 572 million. The penultimate coin is from Cyprus. It is a 2 mils or 2 cents coin from 1988. On this side we have the coat of arms, the year and the country. On the reverse side we have 2 medieval drawn goats. These come from some note of what the medieval goats look like from a book or something like that. I'm not too sure how they know, but the mintage for this Cyprus 2 mils or 2 cent coin from 1988 is 5,150,000. The final coin of this hunt is a big old 1 rupee from India, from the year 2001. On this side we have the year, the wheaties and their value. On the reverse side we have the Ashoka lion pillars and the country name. This 1 rupee coin from 2001 from India, there are no mintage figures. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this hunt. If you have, can you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And if you are one of the 80% that have not yet subscribed to the channel, who view the channel on a regular basis, could you think about also subscribing? Neither of these two things will cost you any money. I do a minimum of 4, but usually 5 videos a week at this moment in time, so you should find something that you enjoy watching. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far in the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.